Hopefully, I don't look like a ghost today. I did a couple videos where I look like either I'm dying or the glory of God is shining on me. So hopefully, this video quality is alright. I don't know. Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do a video for you on some bags that I embroidered. Oh, well, in this video, you're going to see some of my process and my honest process of what sometimes it's like being in this room working for clients' quilts. Sometimes it's not pretty, sometimes it's very stressful, and sometimes there is just this fear of messing something up. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a dilemma that I was dealing with, and I really do hope you like watching me working the reality of it. Okay? In this section of the video, you're going to see me panicking. My client was in the Bahamas, and I could not hoop it with this dumb hoop. And there was variable causes because there were several weird seams on the lip of the bag. Now, my client dropped off the bags the day before she went to the Bahamas. And you know, she's on vacation. Who wants to bother a client who's on vacation? But you see me panicking. So enjoy the footage with me panicking. Because, anyway, so enjoy the footage. Let me explain. I digitized this logo for my client. And I have it on a bag this big. So I've been fighting with this for the last 30 minutes. And I don't think this hoop is going to work. I'm trying, people. I'm trying. Yeah, it's not going to work. It's not going to want to hoop. One of the factors is it's this seam and this seam. See, what happens is as it hoops, this is in the way. Do you see the sweat? I need a break. I'm sweating like crazy. My ear hurts. So, plan number 2. Different plan. I try to hoop this hoop on this big giant bag, and it's impossible. I've tried to hoop it for 30 minutes and it just didn't work. Well, one of the solutions was to hoop it with this little one. It worked. I don't know if you can see the imprint of the hoop. But that means that the design will be smaller. And then at the same time, she wants the name of the dance girl that's going to carry this bag around. So, I found a hoop frame. It's on my fast frame that can fit the bag. But I hate doing these kind of designs on those kind of fast frames because this does a lot of movement. A lot of bags suck. God, they suck. Because first of all, when you hoop it, you have to make sure it's hooped or it'll unhoop while it's embroidering. That's a fun part. Another part of it, it's the fast frame. Well, you gotta clip it with clips. I was trying to secure it with magnets. Fast frames, you have sticky stabilizer. And if I use a fast frame, I can get this size of design with a name on it. But I'm scared. I'm scared that I'll ruin a bag. I'm scared. She's in the Bahamas. I just don't know what to do. Should I try it? Pray to Jesus to have mercy on me, that I don't screw something up. I don't know what to do. Sometimes working for people is like diving off to the deep end. of the ocean, you don't know if you're gonna survive it or drown. If I could get it on this hoop, I would be like happy dancing. So I went ahead and I decided to use the fast frame. I try to use magnets to place on the duffel bag to lock it in, and that didn't work. I was also calling a company to see if they had hoops. There's these magnetic hoops that they just magnetize and clamp together. I was thinking of buying a hoop for this process. Well, anyway, it just... I guess what I want to say is sometimes you're just going to have to jump. You're just going to have to try. You're just going to have to try and hope that you don't fail. Do a prayer, ask Jesus to help you, or pray and hope for the best. And that's, once you do that item once and you have success, you know that you can do it 10 more times. So here you see I clipped the crap out of this bag. You see that I marked my spacing, and it's okay. Hope for the best. For those of you that are afraid to mess up a job, I get it. Pressure. I think sometimes jobs are gonna give me a heart attack. Well, I don't declare it, but the fear and worry about messing something up. There's always gonna be times where you're not sure if what you're gonna try is gonna work. And maybe what you are gonna try is gonna work, but you're so freaked out about it failing that you don't wanna try. And this was a great lesson for me. I did it. It's done. I had to use my chair. Well, there's ways, to hold the backpack. Once I got it hooped, you want to hear the song that came into my heart? This is how we do it, baby. This is how we do it, baby. Well, hold on. Let me play it. This is how we do it. How we do it. I did it. Look how beautiful it came out. Exactly what my client wanted. I didn't have to call her at the Bahamas. Gorgeous. Beautiful. You can't say this. It's not this. This. Sometimes the jobs that make your life the hardest are the jobs where you feel the greatest victory. So, just saying. Enjoy your day, okay? Bye. So here it is. Hopefully I didn't misspell my client's child's name wrong. That I need to call my client who's in the Bahamas, who I did call her once before, and she was okay with me bugging her, but she was getting drunk. Which I don't think I should be asking her for decisions for stuff like this when she's not of a complete settled mind. She could be telling me something drunk and then I do it and she's like, why'd you do that?